Hello friends, welcome you in Research Sheets. In this video, we will see how to remove circular reference error while we opening Excel sheet. It is showing like this. You can see here, it is showing circular references. Remove the circular references error. So for that, what we will do, we will click OK on this reference error, and then we will go in formula option. There we will check go in error checking option, and third option you have to select in that circular reference, and you will find a error place, and that you have to click. While you will click, it will directly show you the place where it has a error, and remove that error. Check what type of error it has, and while you check that and re back on the error checking option, then it will show you there is no other errors. So then you can easily close this and open the again Excel sheet. You will find there is no error. So that how you can easily remove the error from your Excel.